When the market is getting overheated like this and super hot, there is opportunity to make crazy amounts of gains with low capital investment.
Alex Becker just revealed his game plan to make millions in crypto this year. Alex is now out of long-term investor mode, exiting his Bitcoin and Ethereum investments, and has turned his focus to buying mid and low-cap altcoins in the crypto gaming sector at discount prices. So in this video, we dissect Alex Becker's investing strategies that he believes will provide 10, 20, or even 50 times returns, making millions in the crypto market. So let's go over his first investing strategy, hedging.
Let's talk about what I am seeing right here and what I'm planning to do, because I'm trying to win in both scenarios. There's a chance that I am totally wrong here, and I have a situation where I can win bigly, make 10, 20 X's very, very easily if I'm wrong here. If I'm right, this is going to set us up for a whole other really awesome buy opportunity.
See how Alex wants to win either way? This is a strategy called hedging. Hedging is when a person wins regardless of the outcome. Winning big one way and winning small the other way, but never losing in either scenario. It is a classic investing strategy used by professionals to make sure they follow Warren Buffett's first rule of investing, which is to never lose money. Strategy number 2, knowing his entry and exit points before investing.
Okay, and you can see that the S&P 500 was pretty much bottomed at this time. We missed it by just a bit, but that's fine. The whole point of how I trade and how I trade everything is I don't try to absolutely time the bottom. And I like right now, I'm not absolutely trying to time the top right here. I'm trying to get in at a good time and leave at a pretty much good time. AKA leave 80% of the way up with all my profits instead of trying to max out the top, because that never ever works.
Alex uses the 80% principle for taking profits, where he looks to get the majority of profit without perfectly timing the top and bottom. He explains it again another way.
Like I said, I try to get out 80% before the top, or 20% before the top. 80% of the way up is fine with me. That's fine. It's worked well for me. Every time I don't do that, I get my butt handed to me.
His philosophy embodies the phrase, bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. Being content with a decent profit instead of expecting the most profit and ultimately losing most of it due to being greedy. Next, he shares his third strategy, which is being adaptive, depending on current market conditions.
This is different. I'm looking to switch modes. I'm no longer in long-term investing mode. There's a different mode I need to get into at this point that I see coming.
As Alex reveals, he's not in long-term investor mode anymore, and he shares exactly where he is putting his focus and money to work. Listen to this.
But what I'd rather do is take out that $1 million I have now and go down here. And so what I would rather do is go down to mid caps and low cap coins. And because if ETH goes to $4,000, we are going to see these coins down here and the coins I talk about here in a second, but this could be literally any coin that's a micro or lower cap. We're going to see those 5 and 10x.
As he said, Alex knows the pattern of when the larger cryptos of Bitcoin and Ethereum start pumping, that the low cap coins start to explode roughly 2 weeks later. So he would much rather be in an investment that would yield 5 or 10 times than a small chance of doubling his return. By investing in these smaller market caps, lower priced coins when they are heavily discounted, they provide a much larger return on investment during the next bull run. This is another strategy called position sizing. Watch how he explains it here.
We can put in a lot less capital in the crypto markets, which are in a very dangerous spot right now, in my opinion, and see the same returns than if ETH went to, let's say, $4,000, $5,000. We're going to see better returns. If ETH goes to $10,000, these mid caps and micro caps are going to 20, 50x.
Next, he explains his reasoning for using these strategies.
The reason why I say trade like this is because, look, if ETH goes to $10,000, all these coins are going to 520x. Easy. Okay, so you might as well just be in these coins. And the second the crypto market gets wiped out and Ethereum gets wiped out as well, these coins are going to get wiped out as well. So if you're going to be in the crypto market during a pump or a bull market, you might as well be in mid caps.
Next, Alex Becker explains his method on how to find great investments in the medium and micro cap coins in the crypto sector that he believes will provide the greatest returns.
Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be moving into coins that I really liked before that are just in the absolute dumpster. First tip I have for you, look at the ecosystems where the narrative is. If you want to get into Polygon and Matic, look for the stuff that's being built on Polygon. Look for the stuff that, did I just say Polygon? Look for the stuff on Solana and Polygon. This is where the narrative is. Where I think the best returns are going to be are gaming coins. The reason why they're going to get the biggest returns is because they've gotten the biggest losses. And the narrative is still there. We still have Facebook and all these companies just rolling face deep into this stuff. I'm going to look for the studios. I'm going to look for the launch pads. I'm going to look for the platforms. I'm going to look at the overhyped games.
Finally, Alex shares his game plan and how he thinks the markets will play out and which strategies will work out best.
I'm waiting until Bitcoin busts 30, maybe even $33,000 before I start doing this. Is it going to do that? Is that a way off? Yeah. Are we missing some gains in Ethereum and Bitcoin right now? Yes, but we got into lows. My gains I'm happy with. I'm fine. I did not expect to make this much money this fast. It's cool. It's fine. You know, I will sit this one out because it is going to be much more unbearable for me to lose all the gains I've made versus miss out on some of these ups right here.
So to recap his game plan, he's selling his Bitcoin and Ethereum positions, taking all the profits from those investments and buying medium and low cap coins in the crypto gaming sector. Essentially, he's only risking the profits he's already made in the past couple of months from his large cap crypto investments and isn't using any new capital to invest in the higher risk crypto gaming tokens. It is a genius game plan and investing strategy, and one that can be repeated every time Bitcoin has a short-term rally and its price goes up. And if the price of Bitcoin really goes up, crypto gaming altcoins exploding aren't far behind, and that is where fortunes will be made. Also, if you'd like to see more reviews of crypto investing opportunities, watch the videos right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.